Hello everyone, this is NEET and in today's video we will be solving an important question of the chapter Current Electricity. So let's start. Our first question is, a charge passing through a resistor is varying with time as shown in the figure. The amount of heat generated in time t is best represented by. So here the charge versus time graph is given and we have to find the relation between H and T, that is heat generated and time. So for this we will be using two relations. First is H is equals to I square RT. Here H is heat generated, I is current, R is resistance and T is time. And the second one, I is equals to dq upon dt. Here I is current, Q is charge, T is time. I is equals to dq by dt. It means the slope of the graph charge versus time gives us current. Here graph is given of Q and T and its slope. This give us current. So dq by dt is equals to slope of QT graph. So we can find the slope of the QT graph, that is perpendicular upon base, with the help of the given graph. So here P is 5 plus 5, so it's 10, perpendicular is 10 and base is 2. So it will be 10 by 2, 5. So I is equals to 5 ampere. Now H is equals to I square RT. I is 5, so 5 square RT, which is equals to 25 RT. We know that 25 is a constant. R is also constant because in the question it is not mentioned anywhere that resistance is changing with time or changing due to heat. So we will consider resistance as constant. So R will be also constant. So from this we can say that H is directly proportional to T. With the help of this relation we will try to figure out the graph. So first of all we have to understand what this relation is trying to explain. So here H is directly proportional to T, which means as the time increases, the heat generated also increases and it increases uniformly with time. So let's look at the options. In the first option, in the HT graph, H is constant as the time increases. So here the heat generated is neither increasing or decreasing. So this cannot be the answer. In the second option, in the first part from 0 to 1 second, the heat generated increases and from 1 to 2 seconds it decreases. So this also cannot be the answer. In the third option, H is uniformly increasing with time. As you can see, from 0 to 1 second it is increasing and with the same rate it increases from 1 to 2. So the H is uniformly increasing with time. So we can say here that H is directly proportional to T. So third option will be the right answer. Let's have a look on the fourth option also. In the fourth option, from 0 to 1, the H is increasing and from 1 to 2 seconds also H is increasing, but it is not increasing in a uniform way like in the third option. So this cannot be the answer. So our correct answer is option third.